Hey, let me show you the design comparison between the POCO X6 Pro and the POCO X6. And first, we are going to start from the bottom part of the devices. So on the POCO X6 Pro and the X6, we can actually find the USB-C port in the same place. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. There we go. The first difference is with the speaker position. So that's on the left side. Yeah, that's actually the right side. The right side on the POCO X6 Pro and the left side on the POCO X6, and the different position of the SIM slot. When you take a look on the left side of the device, on the right side, we can actually find the volume buttons and the power buttons, and they are actually the same size. When you take a look for the upper section of the screen, there's like big difference. In the POCO X6, we can actually find the 3.5 millimeters headphone jack, so it means that we can actually use the wired headphones. And on the both smartphones, we can also find the AR blaster, so we can use them, for example, as the remote controller to our TV. And also at the top, we can find the second speaker, so it means that both devices actually support the stereo sound. On the left side, there's just nothing. And when you take a look on the back, we can actually find almost the same camera island. There's like a small difference that on the POCO X6 Pro, you've got actually big rings around each camera lens and also around the camera flashlight. But on the POCO X6, you've got this camera like a little bit higher. So let me show you how it looks from this side. Maybe I'm going to show you like this. So this camera actually goes a little bit higher from the back of the device on the POCO X6. And when I put this phone on the flat surface, that's the POCO X6. But the POCO X6 Pro is actually completely flat. So as you can see on the POCO X6 Pro is actually feels better to use when you put your smartphone on the flat surface. And when you take a look on the front of the device, they are actually identical. On the both smartphones, we can actually find the fingerprint sensor built into the display. It's actually just right here. And on the top of the screen, we can actually find the cutout for the selfie camera. And that's all. That's how this device looks. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.